When the night feels longer than my faith can stand, and my heart is searching for your hand. In the silence I hear your voice calling me to trust again. Even when I can't see the way, I know you're making one. You are still here, moving in the dark, lighting up the broken parts. I will sing even through my fear. God, I know that you are here. You never leave, you never change. Forever worthy of my praise. Through every doubt, through every tear, I will trust, 'cause you are here. Oh, every burden that I couldn't bear, you carried it when no one cared. Now my soul will testify of the love that brought me life. Even when I lose my sight, your promise is my light. You are still here, moving in the dark, lighting up the broken parts. I will sing even through my fear. God, I know that you are here. You never leave, you never change. Forever worthy of my praise. Through every doubt, through every tear, I will trust, 'cause you are here. You are faithful, never failing. Every promise still remains. In the waiting, I'll keep praising. You are God, you never change. You are here. You are here. And my heart will not fear. When the night is heavy on my soul, and I feel like I'm losing control, every question without a sound, still your mercy surrounds me now. I have wandered far from your grace, still I see love written on your face. Even when I turn away, you are calling out my name. I don't have the strength to stand, but you're holding out your hand. Stay with me, don't let me go. When I'm lost and feeling alone, Every scar, every hidden fear. You see it all, yet you will draw near. There's no place that I can hide from the shadow of your light. When I fall beneath the weight, you remind me of your grace. Stay with me, don't let me go. When I'm lost and feeling alone, hold my heart, don't let it break. You're the only hope I have. Through the tears, through the pain, you are with me all the way. Even when my faith is weak, Lord, your love will stay with me. Hold my heart, don't let it break. You're the only hope I have. Through the tears, through the pain, you are with me all the way. Even when my faith is weak, Lord, your love will stay with me. You saw me in my weakness, still you came close. Through every silent battle, you held my soul. When I was running empty, you filled my cup. Your mercy found me, now I can't get enough. Every wall comes falling down when I lift your name. Your love never runs dry, it's an endless There's a sound rising up from the ashes, every heart coming back to life. You're the hope we've been holding on to. You're the reason we survive. Chains are breaking as we call your name. Every fear has to fade away. Here in your presence, heaven comes close. Mountains are moving, strongholds are broke. We lift you higher, all of our praise. Jesus, forever be glorified. Every lost soul finding a refuge, every dry bone breathing again. You are writing a story of freedom. Grace is winning in the end. Chains are breaking as we call your name. Every fear has to fade away. Here in your presence, heaven comes close. Mountains are moving, strongholds are broke. We lift you higher, all of our praise. Jesus, forever be glorified. We won't be silent, we won't hold back. Our God is living, our God is here. We feel the shaking, revival's now. Your spirit falling, your kingdom come. Here in your presence, miracles flow. Captives are free. Your power is shown. We lift you higher, all of our praise. Jesus, forever be glorified. Be glorified. Be glorified. Forever, Jesus, be glorified. Before I knew your mercy, you called my name. Through every broken story, you stayed the same. When I was lost in darkness, far from your light, you came and found me, brought me back to life. No height, no depth could keep me from your heart. You chased me down right where I was. Your love, it never ends. It reaches far beyond the sky. Your grace, it covers all. No matter how I run or hide, you hold me in your hands. You never let me go. Forever I will stand in the power of your endless love. Through every fear I carry, you are my peace. Your voice is like a river washing over me. No shame can stand against the truth you speak.